Aliana McMaster and Craig Simpson shot their way to the top in the Jackson Bay Hunting and Fishing Club Sporting Clay Tournament, which made a return to the shooting calendar for the second time in 25 years.
Consistent performer Craig Simpson engaged Sean Barnes and Chad Zadie in a three-way shoot-off to cup the highest overall winner's trophy. Simpson picked off 7 of the 8 targets in the shoot-off. Barnes picked off 5 targets to become the runner-up. He also shot 91 at the end of the regulation shoot. Zadie bagged 4 targets to become the A-class winner ahead of Nicholas Chen, 89, and Ian Banks, 87. Simpson was very happy for the win after battling the challenging conditions on the day.
Always an amazing feeling to win, Trudy. Challenging conditions, and I think anybody would, the scores were very respectable. I thought 91, was the score to shoot, and Sean and Chad are 2 very credible competitors, and I'm pleased to have come out on top.
Aliana McMaster returned to successfully defend her ladies' title. McMaster shot 86 to win, but got stiff competition from her mother, Wendy McMaster, 83, and Lorian Harris, 79, ended third.
Honestly, it feels good. It feels really good to come back and be able to defend what I already have won before, and to prove myself that, even though all of this has happened in a year, I'm still growing, I'm still doing better, my scores are improving. And I honestly think that a lot of people in the gun club as well, or in the other shooters, like to see somebody that's so young, especially a female, doing so well in the sport.
The other classes winners were B class Brandon Leng, 83, C class Brian Kong, 83, D class Maxwell Williams, 81, E class Ted Palmer, 75, Hunters or Beginners class Liam McConnell, 79, Juniors class Aliana McMaster, 86, and sub-juniors Craig Powell Jr., 65. Club president Sean Clacken was pleased with the support for the tournament.
Very, very successful. I think we had over 150 shooters. I believe the number was 155. Last year we ended up with about 137, so that's a big increase, and probably one of the largest shoots for the year. So we're very, very excited.
Part proceeds went to the Portland Cottage Primary School in the sum of $350,000 to purchase a much-needed photocopy machine. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.
All right, we're going to another...